Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2269 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to water contamination in your engine fuel system. And if left unresolved, it can cause poor engine performance, injector damage, fuel system corrosion, hard starting, and expensive repairs. What does P2269 mean? P2269 stands for water and fuel condition. In simple words, the ECU has detected the presence of water in the fuel system. This code is most commonly found on diesel vehicles, although some gasoline vehicles equipped with a water and fuel detection system can also set this code. Diesel fuel should contain only clean fuel. If water enters the fuel tank through contaminated fuel, condensation, or a damaged fuel system, it can reduce lubrication, damage fuel injectors, and affect combustion. To detect this problem, many diesel vehicles use a water and fuel sensor installed in the fuel filter or water separator. When the sensor detects excessive water, the ECU stores the P2269 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2269, you may notice: check engine light on, water and fuel warning light, hard starting, engine hesitation, loss of engine power, poor acceleration, rough idle, engine misfires, reduced fuel economy, and in severe cases, the engine may enter limp mode or fail to start. If water remains in the fuel system for too long, it can seriously damage the high-pressure fuel pump and injectors. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The water and fuel sensor is usually mounted at the bottom of the fuel filter housing or integrated into the fuel water separator. On most diesel vehicles, the fuel filter assembly is located inside the engine compartment or along the vehicle frame near the fuel tank. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical connector and wiring harness. The fuel tank, fuel lines, fuel filter, and water separator all work together to keep clean fuel flowing to the engine. The most common causes of P2269 include water contamination in the fuel, dirty or contaminated diesel fuel, full water separator, faulty water and fuel sensor, damaged sensor wiring, corroded electrical connectors, fuel filter overdue for replacement, or contaminated fuel tank. The most common cause is simply water entering the fuel after refueling with contaminated diesel. Quick diagnosis: start by checking whether the water and fuel warning light is illuminated. Drain the water separator if your vehicle is equipped with one. Inspect the fuel filter for contamination. Check the sensor wiring and connector for corrosion or damage. Monitor sensor data using a professional OBD2 scanner. If necessary, collect a fuel sample to check for visible water contamination. How to fix P2269. Drain the water separator completely. Replace the fuel filter. Refill the vehicle with clean, high-quality fuel. Repair damaged wiring or connectors. Replace the faulty water and fuel sensor if testing confirms failure. If the fuel tank is heavily contaminated, drain and clean the entire fuel system. Clear the code and perform a complete road test to confirm the repair. Final result: fixing P2269 will restore proper fuel quality, protect the fuel injectors and high-pressure fuel pump, improve engine performance, prevent expensive fuel system damage, and help your vehicle run smoothly and reliably again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.